It's day 109 of trying to make $40,000 by the end of the year. A lot of shit has happened since the last day 88 video. Last month, I actually managed to hit my first $10,000 month. That's not quite 40k, but look, we're a quarter of the way there. So, you know, if I can make 10k, I can make 20k and so on. I've started mentoring people. So a lot of people, they message me and they want to learn what I do. So I made like a little WhatsApp group chat and, you know, we're all there telling them what to do and how they can start their own business. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting them some good results and, you know, using them as case studies. Since signing a few high ticket clients, I've decided to outsource my outreach, my cold DMs, right? So I hired a VA, a virtual assistant, to handle all of that for me. And bro, like that's probably the best thing I've ever done. I spend like 2 hours, maybe 3 hours a day doing outreach, cold DMs, 40, 50 people. But just to have someone else do that and I pay them a little bit of money, like I value my time a lot and I don't want to be sitting there doing, you know, that kind of work. They're actually doing a very good job. And then messaging my ICP, right? My ideal client profile. They're messaging the perfect people. Better people than I was messaging. I can actually work on my main business and work on my clients' courses and also some other shit I'm cooking up. So I guess in the coming future, I'll really look into outsourcing more stuff because I was always I tend to stay away from letting people do my work because I guess I have this thing where I think I can do it better than everyone else, but that's really not the case. And I talked to a few other CEOs and business owners, and they really told me the importance of hiring people and actually becoming a boss. Having your own business is not just about doing it solo. You want to bring people on board and drop the ego. And, you know, there's people that can do jobs way better than you. I was working on one of my clients' courses and he's really, really happy with it so far. So I'm super happy that I'm actually satisfying my clients, you know. He told me that he has another 3 entrepreneur friends who also want to make an online course, but they want to see how his course turns out first for then them to decide if they want to also work with me on the course. I'm really excited for that. I'm really making this course perfect for this guy. I learned a super important lesson the other day and I want to share it with you guys. When you're on a sales call with someone, you think you have super locked in. You're so confident they're gonna start paying and, you know, you guys are gonna work together. First of all, don't get excited. Okay, please relax, take a step back because they actually haven't paid you. They haven't paid you shit, bro. This particular client had a business partner, okay, and he was like to me, I need to think about this. I need to talk to my business partner, blah, blah, blah. I was like, okay, fair enough. You know, I was trying to get him to pay on the call. I was like, we can get started today, you know, typical sales stuff. And he was like, I need to talk to my business partner. So I was like, cool, well, let's book another meeting. So we booked another meeting on the call to make sure it's locked in. And then he doesn't just ghost me because now he's a bit more committed to attending that next meeting because he doesn't want to, I guess, give himself a bad look. But then he had to cancel that meeting because he was busy, he said. So then I was left with no next book meeting. I was left trying to chase him, getting left on scene. Bro, guys, so what I'm saying is book 2 meetings in advance. Don't book 1. If you're on the call and you book 1, sure, you have that 1 meeting booked in. Okay, nice. But what if they don't show up, man? What if they have to reschedule? You're going to have to start chasing these clients and it's just not going to be like a good feeling because you're going to be nervous and anxious thinking, are they going to reply? Are they going to get back to me? Am I going to close this client still? Just book 2 meetings in advance. If he doesn't attend to that next meeting, then you have better chance of them attending that other meeting, okay, that second book meeting. Also, guys, another thing you need to know is that you can never stay stagnant, okay? A lot of people, they will work on their agency, but then just work on their agency. And in terms of that, I mean, like, they just stick at one level, okay? They're not trying to scale up or they're not doing anything to scale up. Staying at one level is not what you want to do, man. You want to always be working and building more opportunities for yourself. I'm working on my agency. I'm trying to get more clients. I hired a VA to book more appointments for me. And I'm just making it super scalable for myself. I'm working on my YouTube channel more. I'm even working on more business opportunities. I've opened a mentorship program, which isn't quite public yet, right? It's just a little private thing. I don't have that many people on it. Even creating my own program, which is releasing soon, okay? It's the best fucking piece of education you'll ever see in your life, especially as a beginner. Because I know what it's like. There's no good beginner courses. How does a beginner, let's say you're a beginner, how are you gonna go from absolute nothing to getting your first 10k month? I'm gonna show you guys how because I literally did exactly that. I'll also have tons of free training videos for you guys because I'm gonna be putting all of you on. So guys, always do more content, always do more work, always just do more. Never stay here. come here and then here and then here. Always climb higher, bro. Please, because do it for yourself and, do it for your family, bro. They're waiting on you to succeed, man, and we all know that.